Alright, so I've been using this clamp work light for a little while now. I actually got it as a gift and honestly it surprised me. The brightness on this thing in no joke 200 lumens is in such a compact setup. I manually clip it to my desk or workbench, and the flexible neck lets me aim the beam exactly where I needed it without constantly adjusting. What I like most is how stable the clamp is. Once you attach it, it doesn't shake or drift even when you're working with tool or moving around. The light is clean, bright and white, so it fills small spaces really well, perfect for sewing, fixing small stuff, or working in areas where overhead light just doesn't reach.